What's up, YouTube? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? So, anyways, man, I haven't vlogged in forever. It's been forever. My hair, I'm losing my hair because I'm getting old. So, anyways, what are we getting here? Cup of noodles. Cup of noodlies. Cup of noodlies. It's the way to live. Live off a cup of noodlies. Alright, so been busy working, and as you can see, trying to grow out the the Santa beard like I did yesterday. Like I did last year. We're doing a little shopping. Man, it's been a while since I vlogged. I kind of feel uncomfortable, like people, when they look at me, I'm like, oh shoot, I better turn our camera off because I'm a little embarrassed. But you know what? Screw it. It's all about stepping out of your comfort zone. My nizzle. So anyways, this year has been such a you can't really hear me because the dude in the background is like pulling a jack pallet jack, whatever that's called. So anyways, yeah, we're doing some shopping. This year has been a crazy hectic year overall, but overall it's been a year to learn and grow a lot from, that we can definitely, most definitely learn from. What am I talking about? I don't even know what I'm saying. I'm kind of just talking gibberish. Babe, you want to say something?
Hi.
Is that it? Did I even get you? I was like getting to see you. Okay, say hi.
Hi.
That was kind of weak sauce. That was totally weak sauce. So, we're getting some nachos. We're getting some, what are we getting there?
Sandwich meat.
Sandwich meat? Shoot, you don't even know what kind of sandwich meat I like. What were you thinking? Get your mind out of the gutter. Oh my gosh. What are people? Oh my goodness. Yeah, that's what I thought. We don't know what we're talking about. It's kind of late. We just got off of work. So we're doing some quick shopping, and the reason why we're shopping is because if we went home and picked up the kids from my parents' house and took them shopping with us, man, the wallet would be empty. They would get all the candy in the world, it's hard for me to say no. So anyways, so this is it. I'm gonna try to vlog every day. I'm gonna try is the key word. So if I don't get pissed off and put me on your hit list. Like, I think Santa already has me on his hit list. So yeah, dude's like, what the hell is he talking about? I want the Italian sub sandwich. Subway sandwich. Nope, you can't say Subway. That's infringement, copyright infringement of the company. So anyways, alright y'all, peace.